Can we go faster, please? Yes, hold on very tight now.
The white Jeep is very fast. Look at my hair! It is flying!
This is a very fast ride.
We are at the top now.
The Sahara Desert is very big.
Dad, the desert is very big. I feel very small.
Focus on your steps, Tom. Small steps finish big journeys.
The sand is very hot today.
Now let's try sandboarding.
I want the blue board.
I like the yellow one, Tom.
You are very good at this.
Tom is falling in the sand. Help! I am a sandman now. Are you okay, Sandman? Yes, this sand is very soft.
Constantine is the city of bridges. This bridge is very, very high.
This bridge is very scary, Dad.
Don't look at the fear. Focus on the beautiful goal. Every great adventure starts with one small, brave step. Are you ready to cross it?
Yes, I am a brave boy. I am a little scared now.
Don't worry, we are safe here.
The canyon is very deep, Dad.
The wind is very strong here.
The water is far away, Mom. Is it safe, Mom?
Yes, hold my hand tight.
The view is amazing from here.
It is truly a beautiful city.
Bridges connect people and big cities.
Many birds are flying below us. Don't run on the bridge. Okay, I will walk slowly now.
This is a very special moment.
Next, let's find the wild monkeys. Look! There is snow in Africa.
It is very cold here today.
The white snow is very beautiful. That monkey has a funny face. The monkeys are very cute, Dad.
Be careful. They are very fast.
I am watching them carefully now.
The monkey has your green hat.
Stop that monkey! He is fast!
Don't run! He is too fast. Do you want some fruit, monkey?
He only wants the green hat. This is a very funny monkey. He looks like a little thief. We enter the big, colorful market. Look at all these colorful spices.
What is this red sauce, please?
It is very spicy harissa sauce.
Mark wants to try this sauce.
Oh no! It is very hot! My mouth is on fire now.
Dad's face is very red.
We choose some small local gifts.
This camel statue is very cute.
Did you like this trip, Lily?
Yes, Algeria was very beautiful.
Let's go find the white maze.
Look at all these white houses.
Everything is white and blue here.
The sun is shining so brightly today.
Let's read every page of life.
These flowers are very beautiful, Mom.
Look at those giant green trees. The air smells like fresh bread.
Do you want some warm bread?
Yes, I am very hungry now. I want to share my bread.
This warm bread is very soft.
The Casbah is a giant maze.
The blue windows look very pretty.
Are we lost in this maze?
No, this is a fun trip.
I see a small street cat.
We need a map for this.
Look at these colorful ceramic plates. Let's climb these very steep stairs.
I can see the ocean now.
Where is the big blue sea?
Go left at that corner.
These narrow streets are very old.
Look! The big blue sea is finally here!
I want to touch the blue water, Mom.
The water is so beautiful and very clear.
All these white houses look the same from far away. Every house has a different story, just like every person.